great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, front-wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.